many strategies that can be used to implement an energy management program. Depending on your size and complexity, you got to make some top-level management decisions. Are you going to develop the project in-house using your chief engineer or on-site design construction group as project manager? Or are you going to engage a third-party consultant engineer or contractor to assist in the development of the project? Once you've made that decision, then you got to decide whether this project is going to be design-build or design-bid-build. There are pros and cons to each approach. My experience has been in the past bringing on a third-party consulting engineer who is experienced in the multiple disciplines as well as energy efficiency and modernization of older equipment has greater advantage than doing it internally. The concept of an energy service company, or ESCO for short, first started in the mid-70s when energy efficiency products started to hit the market. Building owners and managers, quite frankly, didn't trust the energy savings calculations that were being advertised by these companies. So in response, the ESCOs basically took on the entire responsibility themselves, providing energy audits, complete project financing, and guaranteed savings, all at no cost to the client owner. Over the years, the concept of the ESCO has evolved. There are large ESCOs, there are small ESCOs. And overall, though, what we've seen is that they have become much more flexible, operating in today's marketplace, both providing that full, no dollar out of your pocket service, guaranteed savings, all the way to the other end of the spectrum, which is similar to the way general contracting and project development works in the real world. If you choose to use an ESCO in the traditional sense, what I mean by that is no out-of-pocket costs, guaranteed savings, free work up front, including the energy audit and the scope of work and fee development. You run a higher risk of increased costs and reduced benefits. The ESCO at that point is focused only on delivering the stated energy efficiency projects at the lowest cost possible and avoids the other possibly important needs of the facility that they come across as we go. On the other hand, our experience has been that using an independent third-party contractor to sift through all this, define the proper scope of work, and if the owner can finance it out of his own revenue stream, then we can deliver a competitive project at lowest possible costs, administer it in a manner which accrues the maximum benefits, commission that project, and then turn it over to owners for long-term beneficial use at low risk and lower overall cost. Using a third-party consultant to help implement your energy efficiency project can have many benefits. In this scenario, you'll have a building owner, you'll have an energy service company, and a third-party consulting engineer. Consulting engineer acts as a technical owner's representative, focused only on the best interests of the property and the client. At the same time, a third-party consulting engineer can define the scope of work, prepare the RFP, including any plans and specifications, assure proper competitive bidding amongst energy service companies or other contractors, and then administer and commission the project in a manner that, again, assures the design intent is met and the objectives and benefits of the project are achieved. Vert Energy Group is staffed by professional engineers, energy analysts, construction managers, and other energy professionals. We provide a very comprehensive, whole building view of the problem and the solution. We focus on energy efficiency as well as building modernization to achieve that customized solution for your building. For any given project, Vert will take that project from concept through completion, starting with the energy audit or scoping study, followed by budgeting, additional engineering due diligence, preparation of a request for proposal, including either design build scope of work or complete engineered plans and specifications. We'll support the bidding process, contractor selection, and then administer and manage the construction of that process through completion, testing, commissioning, final documentation, and handoff to the owner.